This is a tin-glazed earthenware plate, known as faience, produced at the Rouen Factory in France around 1775, during the final decades of that celebrated manufactory's long history of ceramic production. At the center of the plate, a yellow songbird perches on a gnarled reddish-brown branch beside a blue and yellow exotic bird, while a rooster with iridescent purple and brown plumage strides across a green ground, the scene framed by flowering shrubs in pink and mauve. The scalloped rim is decorated with blue rococo scrollwork and scattered sprigs of pink and green flowers. The plate belongs to a tradition of French faience production that competed directly with imported Chinese porcelain and the fashionable wares coming from Meissen, offering European consumers hand-painted polychrome decoration at a more accessible price point. What makes this piece particularly revealing is the way it blends two distinct visual vocabularies: the chinoiserie-inflected bird and branch motif at the center with the more native French rococo flourishes on the border, capturing in a single domestic object the aesthetic tensions and aspirations of 18th-century French decorative taste. This description was written by Claude Anthropic's AI, with narration by Kokoro text-to-speech.